Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is the Traveler Queen, and kindly consider subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you are the subscriber, welcome and welcome back guys. Leave the comment below there. Tell me what you think about this video. I'm coming live from Palm Hotel. Here we are having a Namibian content creator meetup. If you didn't watch my previous video about Namibia content creator meetup, head back to my channel and watch my previous video. But in this video today, I'm going to show you the beautiful place here in Palm Hotel, the beautiful room. I'm going to give you a room tour where I'm going to spend my beautiful night. After the meetup, homegirl needs a peace of mind. She needed to rest. So guys, let's spend the day here and with Namibian content creator. Then I'm going to show you my room tour. And please, thank you guys for supporting my channel. And I know you enjoy the previous video of Namibia content creator meetup. Guys, keep on support your girl. I love you. Mwah.
She's like my sister.
Hello, Traveler Queen.
Oh my god. I think it's only me who doesn't know people. Everyone knows the Traveler Queen. Mine goes okay.
I also don't know a lot of you guys. I know her. That girl, Bertha, I know her, yeah. Because this one, I'm like, you guys, sorry, I'm looking a mess right now.
Let's see.
I'm not seeing myself.
I'm coming. Yeah, so just as I said,
The one who is never be patient. She can't see herself. Oh my god. Okay.
Some of them.
And we're like, just know that people like stories, like juice. They like juice. Blink juice in your.
My phone is
They are
very
nosy
low.
also. Like for me, my first channel, I knew already my niche is like, okay, I'm selling my Tupperware. This is it. Whatever has to do with a business is fine. But then there's a part of me, I'm like, I want to share my life as well. Like,
Exactly.
you know, and I don't want to mix the business one with the, people will be like, you know. So when I started my second channel, first it was, what was I talking about? Just certain things like emotions, yeah. And then it was,
I was like,
because that time I was really feeling like I'm not the only one who's feeling like this.
Yeah.
COVID-19, everything
everything is
it's just a lot
overwhelming,
of,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
So I spoke and I was like, people
You don't know what to do.
who can relate to this can actually also listen and see that they are not alone, you know. And then from there, I had so many topics I wrote down, and then I'm just like, just to sit in front of the camera.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, what if people criticize this one? What if Then I was like, I think the other thing that made me now, my focus now, I review the food. Ne? I went to Miss Trudy's channel. I wanted to check, how did this lady begin? When I went to Miss Trudy's channel,
If you see
her
her beginning,
Yeah.
you cry.
oh,
Exactly. That is, he is one of the people that
And,
really.
yeah.
wow.
And
It doesn't
she,
matter what
and
you
she
have.
kept her video there to
Yes, she
inspire
did.
someone.
Yes, she kept
And
her
the
video
quality of
there.
those videos, like,
My dear.
the first one, I think she was just vlogging when she was in bed. Or
Yeah, the
something.
first one, it was just it was a Christmas day, right?
You don't need to be
Home girl just in bed.
The whole
Sometimes you look at somebody, like I first saw Tua Kalola's videos, and I was like,
Wow, like,
Appa, I will not win. Like sometimes you see the person and then you are like so intimidated, like, oh, wow.
It disencourage
How can-
you, right?
Yes, I was
Yeah.
very, at the same time I was encouraged. I was
As
discouraged,
you keep on
but I
watching.
also got encouraged to say, you know what, I should be myself. I
Yeah.
cannot speak that nice English like her, or making the
Raw story, right?
yeah, but let me be, you know, let me be
Be you.
So with that, I was just like, oh wow. And then I saw the support from the YouTubers WhatsApp and everything like that. And I was just like, actually this.
So you sit down. Guys, no, can you remember I did a video yesterday saying,
Hey guys.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey. I think I was just supposed to be late so I can make a.
so yeah, what are we talking about? Everything is content. I've seen a video of I've seen a video.
You're just like, literally everything is content. And sometimes.
Yeah, after spending the whole day long with my beautiful ladies, Namibian content creator, it is finally time to go rest, and everyone is gone, and now it is just me and that girl Vapa to go have some rest on our room, guys. And yeah, you're even ready for this beautiful room tour. Let's go. Let me show you my room, guys. I'm finally going to spend my night here, and I know you are so excited to see what is in my room. Come, let me show you. Okay, here you enter in the door. Here there's a bathroom, and guys, let's go in the bathroom and see our bathroom. Beautiful bathroom with a beautiful shower. And here is where you can finish your business. And they have a toilet paper here. The hand wash here with a towel. White towel, guys. They have white towel. And I love white, guys. You don't know how much I love white. And I love the shower and the decor on the wall. I love it. And the mirror, beautiful mirror. Guys, your girl night. You can see the room. As small as it is, it's mine alone. And here we have a table with a small kettle where you can make your tea with cup and and everything here, and water for you here. And here we have a small fridge. Guys, see, my fridge is empty. And the most beautiful things of the room, the bed, guys, the bed. Can you see that? How beautiful it is? White. And guys, I don't want to forget, guys, here there's a nice art on the wall, guys. Can you see this? The sun rays. Imagine you just wake up on your bed and you just face in the sun rays. Oh, it's a sunset. No, it's a sun rays, guys, and I love it. And here we have a TV. We have our TV here with the remote, and there's a chair here and the table where you can do a thing. So I'll end it my video here tonight, guys. And guys, here we have a remote control for the fan. So if it's hot or it's cold, guys, you change yourself. And guys, come, you never see what I want you to say. Are you ready for this? The view for you. Woo, guys, the view is a breathtaking. The landscape, guys, all beautiful things. Imagine you wake up in this view. I love the jungle view, and this just cleared up my mind. Oh gosh, I can't wait tomorrow, guys. Yes. And another thing, guys, we have a cupboard here. It's a slide door cupboard where you can keep all your luggage. And here we have it's a safe. Sorry, guys, we have a safe here where you can keep all your value belonging. And here we have, guys, your girl. This is the beginning. Okay, guys, that was my room tour, and I hope you enjoy my room tour. And this is for one person, guys. It's the smallest is. And guys, I'll be with that girl Vapa here tonight. Hand to her channel and go see this same video to see her room tour. Good night for now. Bye.